Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about the truth about processed foods and your health. Processed foods are any foods that have been changed from the natural state. This can mean anything from simply cutting, washing, cooking, or freezing to adding preservatives, sugars, or fats. While processed foods often get a bad rap, not all of them are unhealthy. 1. Types of processed foods. There are 4 main types of processed foods. A. Group 1 includes unprocessed or minimally processed foods like fresh blueberries, roasted nuts, and chopped veggies. These foods are slightly altered to make them easier to access, like drying, freezing, or vacuum sealing, so they stay fresh longer. B. Group 2 is for processed culinary ingredients like butter, oils, sugar, or salt. These come from nature but are slightly modified, making them easier to use in your cooking. They're not meant to be eaten alone but to enhance your meals. C. Group 3 includes processed foods like canned fish, fruits in syrup, bottled veggies, cheese, or fresh bread. These foods often have added salt, oil, or sugar. They're ready to eat as they are but can also be used in other dishes. D. Group 4 covers ultra-processed food and drinks, which are the most heavily altered. These include things like soft drinks, snacks, and pre-made meals. They often contain a mix of ingredients, preservatives, and added flavors, making them convenient but usually less healthy. 2. How do processed foods affect your health? Some processed foods can fit into a healthy diet, but others, especially ultra-processed options, can pose health risks. These foods often have hidden salts, fats, sugars, and extra calories, making it easy to overeat. Plus, highly processed foods may increase cancer risk and lack essential nutrients, making them less beneficial for your health. They also digest more quickly, meaning you burn fewer calories when you eat them. 3. How can you choose better options? To eat healthier, focus on minimally processed foods. Here are some tips. Shop in the fresh section. Look for fresh fruits, vegetables, and less processed meats like chicken breasts. Cook more at home. You'll have better control over what goes into your meals. Read labels. Choose foods with fewer, easily recognizable ingredients, and avoid those with lots of additives. Processed foods aren't all bad, but some can harm your health. Remember, the closer your food is to its natural state, the better it is for you. Make informed decisions and prioritize your health with every meal. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.